The Second Circuit rejected request for former President Donald Trump to review request of lawyers to review whether federal immunity was sued columnist E. Jean Carroll for insulting. He rejected election intervention and tribute accusations against him by regional lawyer Fani Willis. His regional lawyer Fani Willis. Last legal news. E. Jean Carroll slander key players U.S. Second Circuit Court. U.S. Supreme Court. Columnist E. Jean Carroll on Monday. Court of Appeal rejected request to fully review claim that federal immunity protected him for insulting by Carroll. According to a single-page decision published by court, the last defeat in the case, which will start on January 16, will be the last resort for Trump to maintain his immune claim. A federal judge in Second Circuit Court in Manhattan decided that Trump was not protected by immunity of presidency in case Trump's lawyers wanted the Court of Appeal to take the question into consideration. Last month, the same court rejected a 3-month delay at the beginning of Trump's lawyers Carroll. In May, a jury found that Trump had sexually harassed Carroll in a store locker room in the mid-1990s and then denied his attack account, and caused Carroll to sue again. Why is it important? Trump's claim that presidential immunity protects him without prosecution continues to be rejected, but will ultimately be decided by the highest court of land. Georgia election intervention lock players Judge Scott McAfee. Trump lawyer Stephen Sadow. Fulton District Regional Lawyer Fani Willis. Special Advisor Jack Smith. Columnist E. Jean Carroll. Former Trump lawyer Rudy Giuliani. Regional Court Judge Tanya Chutkaney. In a court file on Monday, Sadow asked McAfee to reject all charges against Trump in Georgia because he was president when he tried to overthrow the 2020 election results in state. The indictment in this case accuses President Trump of the actions at the center of his official responsibilities. Trump's lawyers made same claim to judges in civilian insult cases brought by Carroll, where being president protects same claim without prosecution in federal election case of Smith. In a separate file, Trump's lawyers wrote that vacacy of the 2020 presidential election could be punished in the case of a fair notification. Monday, Willis Trump and 18 people in case Joe Biden's attempts to overthrow victory of state in case pre-trial movements for last date determined. McAfee has not yet created a solid start date, but last week, Giuliani rejected request to push back deadline to review evidence in case. Why is it important? Trump's claim that president cannot be tried or sued for actions he has undertaken while offering a major test for U.S. court system. New York Chutkan and subcourts decided that immunity of presidency did not offer a blanket protection. But Chutkan paused procedures in election intervention last month, so Trump's lawyers appealed decision of presidential immunity.